Math 1, and topic is logarithm and properties of logarithms. Okay, what is logarithm? I will give you the definition of the logarithm. The logarithm of any number to a given base is the index of power to which the base must be raised in order to equal the logarithm of any number to a given base is the index of the power to which the base must be raised in order to equal the given number. For example, a raised to the power x is equal to n, or you can say 3 raised to the power 6 is equal to 729. Now in logarithm form, log 3 is the base, 729 is the given number, and 6 is the power. So it is the logarithm form of this number. Okay, if 2 raised to the power 8 is equal to 256, then log 2, base will be there, number will be there, and power will be there. If 5 raised to the power minus 4 equals to 625, then log 5 value is there and power is there. This is the logarithm form. Next is our exponential form. Exponential forms. By definition, ax is equal to n and log a n is equal to x. Okay. Now four standard logarithms. Number A, log a1 is equal to 0. Number 2, log a is equal to 1. Number C, log a infinity equals to infinity. Number D, log a 0 equals to minus infinity. 4 fundamental properties of logarithm. Number 1, product formula, that is log a m n equals to log a m plus log a n. Now let log a m is equal to x and log a n is equal to y. From this equation, ax is equal to m and ay is equal to n. Now multiply both equations. What will we get? Ax dot ay is equal to ax plus y. Now you can write this log a m dot n, that is equal to this, equals to x plus y. What is the value of x? From here you can write this. Therefore log m dot n equals to log a m plus log a n. Hence proved. Now I have proved product formula by this. Log a m into n is equal to log an. Putting the value of x and y right in the exponential form, then multiply m and n. You will get the log am is equal to log an. This is the left side, this is the right side. Both are equal, hence proved. Number 2, second property, quotient formula. That is the formula of division. Log a m upon n equals to log a m minus log a n. Now you have to prove this. Let log a m is equal to x, log a n is equal to y. Write in the exponential form. Ax is equal to m, ay will be equal to n. Now dividing both equations, dividing 1, this equation is 2, this equation is 3, this equation is 4. Dividing third by 4, you will get m divided by n equals to ax divided by ay or ax minus y. By definition of log, by definition of log a m upon n equals to x minus y. Now put the value of x and y here. Log a m minus log a n. So log a m upon n, this is your n, this is your n, is equal to log a m minus log a n. Hence proved. Second property I have proved, that is the log a m minus upon n equals to log a m. Putting the value of x and y, then write in the exponential form, dividing m and n, I will get this. By definition of log, I will get this. Now putting the value of x and y, answer will be there. Okay. Now third is power formula. To prove that log a m raised to the power n. Now n will be there, log a m, where m and n are real numbers. Let log a m is equal to x or ax is equal to m. Raising both sides of equation 1 of log, that is log a m raised to the power n is equal to nx. Hence log a m n is equal to n log a m. Hence proved. Now third property has been proved, which is the power formula. To prove that log a m raised to the power n will be there where m and r are real numbers. Let log a m is equal to x, इसको x की वैल्यू रख दो तो ये आ जाएगा ax is equal to m. इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिख लो, दोनों साइड्स को रेज कर लो तो ये आ गया log a m रेज टू द पावर n पावर अगर x की वैल्यू हम यहाँ रख देते हैं तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल राइट हैंड साइड एंड हेंस इट इज प्रूव्ड. नाउ फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी इज द बेस चेंजिंग formula. That is to prove that log b upon m is equal to log am divided by log b. Let log am is equal to x, log ab is equal to y. Now write it in exponential form. Ax is equal to m, ay is equal to b. Raise to power 1 upon y, I will get a is equal to b raised to the power 1 upon y. Putting the value of a, putting the value of a, I will get b raised to the power 1 upon y, x is equal to m, or bx upon y is equal to m, or log a m is equal to x upon y. Putting the value of x and y, I will get log a m is equal to log a m upon log a b. Hence proved. These are the four properties of logarithm. First of all, I have studied you multiply formula, then divide formula, then power formula, then base changing formula. Now with the help of this formula, we will discuss now some examples. Example 1, change 27 5 by 3 equals to 243 into logarithm form. Now 27 is the base, 5 by 3 is the power, and 243 is the value of the number. I have told earlier, log, base will be there, value will be there, and power will be there. This is the answer of the example 1. Number 2 example. Evaluate log 5 3 1 2 5. Okay, let log 5 3 1 2 5 equals to x, or you can say 5 raised to the power x equal to 3 1 2 5. Now x is equal to 5 because 5 raised to the 5 equals to this. So the x value of the x is 5. So log 5 3 1 2 5 equals to 5. This is our answer. Okay, understand this? Now next example. Prove that 7 log 10 divided by 9 minus 2 log 25 divided by 24 plus 3 log 81 divided by 80 equals to log 2. Now left hand side, and using the properties, 7 log 10 raised to the 10 divided by 9, 2 log 25 divided by 24 plus 3 log 81 divided by 80. Now you will write this 7 log, using the property 10 minus log 9. This is the second property. As 10 divided by 9, so you can write this like this, minus 2 log 25 minus log 24 plus 3 into log 81 minus log 80. Okay, now what will you do? 7. You can write, instead of 10, 2 into 5 minus log 3 raised to the power 2 minus 2 log 5 raised to the power 2 minus log, you can write in place of 23, 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 3 log 3 raised to the power 4 minus log 5 into 2 raised to the power 4. Apply product and power law of logarithm. Left hand side 7 log 2 plus 7 log 5 minus 14 log 3 minus 4 log 5 plus 2 log 3 plus 6 log 2 plus 12 log 3 minus 3 log 5 minus 12 log 2. Now this is log 2, this is log 2, this is log 2. 7 into 6 13 minus 12, what will be there? Log 2. Okay, now 7 log 5 minus 4 log 5 minus 3 log 5. 4 or 3 7, this will be cancelled by this, that is plus 11 log 5 minus 7 log 5. What is the value of log 3? Minus 14 log 3, minus 14 log 3 plus 2 or 12 plus log 3. Now this will be cancelled by this. Answer will be this. Left hand side equals to right hand side, hence proved. Example 4. Show that log b a raised to the power 2 log c b raised to the power 3 log c raised to the power 4 equals to 24. Left hand side log b a raised to the power 2 log c b raised to the power 3 log a c raised to the power 4. Here 2 will be there, log b a. 3 will be there, log c b. 4 will be there, log a c. Now 2, 3, 4, that will be 24, and you can write this log a divided by log b, log b divided by log c, and log c divided by log a. This will be cancelled. Answer will be 24. That is our right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Now, using the properties of logarithm, we have proved this 4 examples, and this is the chapter of logarithm. Now, solve these questions yourself. Number 1. Show that x log 10 y upon z, y log 10 z upon x dot z log x upon y equals to 1. Number 2. If a plus b square is equal to 7ab, prove log a plus b divided by 3 equals to 1.5 log a plus log b. Okay. Number 3 question, given log 2 is equal 3010, log 3 की वैल्यू दी हुई है 0.4771 and log 7 is there 0.8451. Solve the exponential form equation 2 raised to the power x into 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 7. 7 raised to the power 4x plus 3. Now solve these three questions for your practice.